what flavors? We have vanilla, chocolate, peanut butter, or vanilla, chocolate, peanut butter. Your choice.
Don't talk to me the way you're talking to me, first of all. Second of all, you laughed at me for no reason.
Excuse me, honey boo boos.
Mm-hmm.
Security.
This is your security?
Yeah.
Want to see my pooter?
Okay, look here, Mr. Poodle Pant. Excuse you, hypermoose.
Guys, quiet. We can all get together if we just tap into Willie's tap dancing skills. Are you ready?
Okay.
Do the dance. Do the dance.
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
Drop it like it's hot.
Okay.
This is some good pooter milk. It comes straight from the pooter.